Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. Are you ready? Get set, let's go. First, before I begin, if you are a Stamp Club member and you have been waiting for the picnic die set, guess what? It is now available to you on the website, so go check that out. Now, I have two other products to share with you today. This one, sadly, it is one that we need. It is a stamp set, and it is called Sorry for Your Loss. Now, let's read some of these together. Those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day. Unseen, unheard, but always near. Still loved, still missed, and very dear. Isn't that gorgeous? What was once enjoyed and deeply loved, we can never lose, for all that we have, for all that we love deeply becomes part of us. And Helen Keller wrote that. Sometimes there are no words, and that's one I use a lot, because sometimes there's nothing you can say, and you just say, sometimes there's no words. There's just no words. Sending you loving thoughts and heartfelt sympathy during this difficult time. I'm here for you. My heart hurts for you, and so sorry for your loss. Now, I have a rule about sympathy cards. No one likes to make them, right? We love to receive them when we need them, but no one likes to make them. So what I recommend you do on any of your sympathy cards is one day when you're having a great day, make 12 dozen, not 12 dozen, that'd be 144. Make a dozen sympathy cards, because you don't need them that day, and it's easy to make them, and you're still feeling good. Yes, we have downs in our life and we have ups in our life, but if you make it when you're up, when you're down, you will have it to give to the person that needs it. You don't have to go into your scrap book room or your craft room and make a card when you're down. And you'll be happier with it if you make it when you're happy. So make a whole bunch of sympathy cards when you're happy, and then you'll have them in your little stash to give when you need them, okay? That's my big tip on sympathy cards, because it's very important to give sympathy cards. We need to give them so people know that we're loving them and we're praying for them and that we're thinking about them, okay? Now, I have a lot of fun samples to share with you on that one. Now, also, we came out with this die. What in the world? What is this? Well, guess what? It makes a milk carton die. Isn't that adorable? It has a scalloped edge up at the top. Now, I want to show you how easy this is to put together. I've already die cut one, and the score lines are nice and deep. And what we're going to do is we're going to just fold on all those score lines. This is how easy this is. I haven't done one of these in like 3 months, because I tested it and then I put it off to the side, because I don't want to play with it until you get to play with it. Now, there's diagonal lines, so you're just going to kind of just let those go, and you're just going to kind of work on those. Now, this line is all the way. You're just going to kind of follow all the lines. Now, you're going to fold this one that way, fold that one that way, and then we have a tab. Dun, 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 dun. We're going to take that tab and we're going to take some adhesive, and I don't want to use we're going to put scratch paper underneath us, and I'm going to just add adhesive to the top of that tab. Now I'm going to go all the way around, make my box. I'm going to go all the way around, and I'm going to layer that right there, and I'm going to press just like that to make my box, okay? Now what I'm going to do, on the bottom, you can do a couple different things. You can just fold it down like that. You can box fold it, like when we go to conventions where we box fold it like that, so you do every other corner if you want. That's not as safe. I mean, not as safe. It's not as secure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some adhesive to the back of one of these. So I'm going to add adhesive to this one. I'm going to add adhesive to this one. And then I'm going to put those in first, and then I'm going to lay those down. Now, as I do this, I'm going to press on the inside, and my hands are too short. My fingers are too short. So I'm going to press using my glue bottle. Look at that. Best glue ever. There's another reason to have it. Now, don't go all buy these, because then I'm going to run out. But look at that. That's fantastic. Okay, now what we have is we have our cute little sealed bottom. Now we are going to just fold on, just like a regular milk carton. You're just going to gently fold, let it go, let it do what it wants to, and then you're going to fold up, and look, whoops, got that one. There we go. And look, now you can staple this. I like to staple mine because that way I know it's going to stay secure. If you want the recipient to open it, you can use adhesive, whatever you like. But there is our cute little milk box. Isn't that awesome? Now, on the sample, on my samples I'll show you, but there's layering dies to go with this too. So there's a layering die for here. There's a cute little tag, so you can add a little tag. There's this fun little heart that you can make a little window out of. Lots of options. Let's move those off and let's look at all of our samples. So here's a cute one with a little tag with lemonade. Isn't that that cute? With a little straw, paper straw. Isn't that perfect? So cute. Here's one. It says, to the world's best friend, and you could add a little treat in there. You can even put like a little colored paper clip at the top, which would be really fun. Here's one with some flowers. Oh, and look how cute these little flowers are on the sides. Here's one using that towel. Here's a paper clip. See, somebody knew what I was talking about. Leslie, that's my idea. I think that's great. And then you can open it up. Then they know it can be opened, and oh, there's treats in here. Oh, little conversation hearts. Isn't that adorable? So you can give these away as little treats. Perfect, especially with the hearts. Wedding favors. Just saying. Just saying. Wedding favors or party favors. How cute is that? Let's see. Oh, here's a cute little bunny on this one. Here's a cute one. Happy. That's so fun. Here's a, oh, or you could use one of these binder clips at the top. Hello. Nothing's in that one. I was going to open it. I don't know what's in there. Now, oh, here's a cute one that's made into a dog house with Cookie. So fun is that. You're my best friend. It says up at the top. Oh, and a cute little binder clip. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's fancy. Look at that. We can open it up. Nothing in that one, but oh, how cute is that? And we're going to close that up. So imagine your recipient opening this, having fun with that. Isn't that cute? I love that. Let's see. Here's another one. Ooh, this one has candies in it with little ribbon tied at the top. So cute. Now this one is funny because this one, Catherine put a note on it. It has a little milk, it's a milk carton. It has a little action wobbly on it. And she said, if you open the cow box, it will make more sense with a happy face. So, okay, Catherine, we're going to open up that cow box. I don't know what's in it. This is a surprise, just like it is to you. Don't know. Catherine knows what it is. Let's see. We're going to open that up. Ooh, yummy. It is Cowtails Chewy Caramel. Ooh, lunch. Cowtails Chewy Caramel with a creamy center. How yummy is that? And they have little cows on them. How cute is that? So there's a couple little treats in here. Little cow treats. How fun is that? I love that, Catherine. Thank you. Ken will probably grab those before I get a chance. Now, I also have some Sorry for Your Loss cards. So let's switch gears just a little bit. Sometimes there are no words using our exclusive Flip It. I love that. I'm here for you. Here's one. Oh, if you have somebody that lost an animal, so sorry for your loss. Oh, how pretty is this one? Oh, isn't that gorgeous? And this is the one. Those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day. Unseen, unheard, but always near. Still loved, still missed, and very dear. Isn't that adorable? I love that. Oh, here's a cute mini version. Another one of the poems. Oh, that's so cute. And then, oh, look at this. I gotta open this one. Sometimes Stephanie runs out of time and doesn't open them all. So here's one with sympathy. Oh, that's beautiful. Open it up with the message on the inside. Here's another one with sympathy. Now, these envelopes, what are these envelopes? These envelopes we do sell on our website. Our design team a lot of times will send the envelopes, send the cards to us with these envelopes. These you can mail at the U.S. Post Office. You just put your stickers on the outside and your stamps on the outside, and you can mail it just like that in that fun, clear envelope. Then your recipient gets to see the fun card before they get to open it. Oh, here's another one using our chevron background. Here's another one using our Flip It circle. And here's another one. God's love is with you at this difficult time. And she used the inside verse from this stamp set. Now, club members, of course, you get the discount on all of these products that I've shown you. If you're not in the club, I don't even know why I'm talking to you. No, I'm kidding. That was rude. I'm sorry. That was funny though. No, you have to go join. $11.95 a month. You get a stamp set. You get 15% off our website. And we have almost everything you need on our website. We have ink, stamps, dyes, adhesive. We have storage things. We have everything you need. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.